Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to teach you on how you can delete your Canva account. So first, launch your web browser and go to canva.com. Log into your specific account which you want to delete. Then after, click on your profile picture icon from the bottom left corner of your screen. Click on your account option. And from here, select account and security. Scroll down and you'll get the section of delete your account. Remember that by deleting your account, you'll no longer be able to access any of your designs that you have created on Canva. And you'll also won't be able to log into your Canva account. So if you are sure you want to delete it, go ahead and select delete account option, which is highlighted in red color. Canva will send you a code within the email address which is associated with the account that you're trying to delete. Enter the code right here in this box and then select delete account from the bottom of this menu and you'll be done. Remember that you have 14 days to recover your account, otherwise all of your data will be lost permanently. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.